Each spring, for a few weeks, females begin an annual search for a mate. The first step is to leave a scent trail. Wandering huge distances, they mark across their territories of over 100 square miles. And this is what they're hoping for. The female now switches from scent to sound. Her song can travel for miles. For a male, it's an irresistible draw. Their haunting duet lasts for just a few minutes, but it's enough to bring two solitary cats together. Having spent most of their lives alone, this new couple appears a little nervous. Their tender courtship is a rarely seen moment. Thanks to the mountain's unique soundscape, snow leopards are able to find love.